Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you watch my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, there's a 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And in a previous video, we discussed about the importance of this green box here. If you have watched my previous video, hopefully you can recognize, because the zone is 42204230. So after the market opening, there was a good amount of buying power, and these were the candles formed by the market. At one point, to be honest, I also felt that after some consolidation, market would break the zone that we discussed, but the resistance was intact. Market failed. Those who were trading in the morning, hope you guys made money. And right now we can see that after some sideways market, gold is going down. So if you're wondering what is the trend of the market, gold is under pressure again. If you are a swing trader, then also the trend of the market is bearish for you. If you are a day trader, then also we can see that there is pressure on the market. It means the market is bearish. Till yesterday, market was a bit sideways, but right now we can clearly see that market is under pressure. So we need to plan our trades accordingly. And on the chart of gold, 4220 4230 is still the strongest resistance. If gold really wants to go for a recovery, then it needs to cross the green box, means it needs to cross 4220 4230 here. So this is going to be the key level for the buyers. If they want to take the market up, they need to break this. But 4220 4230 is far away. So before that, if gold starts going up, before that gold has multiple layers of resistances, means it won't be easy for gold. For example, the first resistance will be around 4170 4175. This is the first resistance on the chart of gold, where gold will face strong resistance. It means that during the day, if market tries to go up, this is going to be the resistance. If market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell position. Immediate resistance is around 4150. The black line that you see here, my dear friends, this is the immediate resistance, and already we can see market is showing price rejection from above. I have not taken any sell position because I took a sell here. And now I'm waiting for the market to come to 417075 area. If I see market is showing price rejection from above, if market faces selling pressure, I will take a sell position. Not 4150. And 4220 4230 is the still strongest resistance. So if market goes up, these are the two places where we can look for a sell position. And at the time of recording the video in the Asian session, we do not have any indication of trend recovery or reversal yet. So this is the current scenario. If anything comes up, you will get an update in the group. And as we can see right now, that market is trying to take support here. But due to the ongoing selling pressure, I don't think so that this support will be able to help the market. So the next support is around 4120 4122. The black line at the bottom is the next support here. But to be honest, I personally feel that after some liquidity sweep, market may go up for one or two candles. But eventually market should be going down, means I'm looking for some selling opportunity here. But if you're a day trader, listen to me carefully. If you're a day trader, scalper, if you see that after some liquidity sweep, means after hitting 4150 4115 4112, market is going up, you can look for a buy around 41202 after liquidity sweep, means after hunting down stop losses when market will be going up, then you can look for a buy around 412022. Do not expect much. Personally, I will be only going for two candles. 250 means candles, means hardly I will stay on the trade for 30 minutes max. Not more than that, because I feel that eventually market should be going down. So after a quick bounce, मतलब एक quick bounce के बाद जब market इसे तोड़ेगा, when market will break the same 412022 after the quick bounce, a selling opportunity will come. Means one zone, two opportunities. At this moment, okay, we are expecting a quick temporary bounce because of low volume, but eventually because of the ongoing selling pressure, there's a high chance that market will be going down. Always keep in mind, a support doesn't mean that there will be reversal, a resistance doesn't mean that there will be reversals. If there is a support, see, I'm just going out of syllabus here. Okay, if there is a support here and market is falling, that doesn't mean that market will go for a reversal. No, if there is a support, you can, if there is a strong downturn, you can just expect a temporary bounce. Okay, so it depends. Okay, it depends. Some traders prefer to buy in this temporary bounce, some prefers to take a sell position when market breaks it. Now it depends upon you, okay, which category of trader you belong to. Personally I prefer to take a sell, okay, because I am a trend follower. Okay, anyways, when a temporary bounce comes, okay, if you want to go for a buy, it's up to you. So again, I'm repeating, there is a possibility of a liquidity sweep. After liquidity sweep, if market goes up, we can go for a buy, but eventually after some consolidation, if market breaks it, we can look for a sell below the same zone. Okay, and where is the next support? Okay, 4100 is the next psychological support, but obviously, as we all know, on the chart of gold, the downside is clear. Personally, I feel 4000 is the key level for gold. Okay, market or the buyers will try to hold the 4000 level, because okay, market knows it very well. If gold slips below 4000 or goes below 4000, then things will be different. Buyers will be under really strong pressure. Market will be in panic mode. So I think 4000 is the next support. 4000, 4050, buyers will try their best to protect the market. Okay, but as of now, what we can see is that as a day trader, we have some selling opportunities on the chart of gold. Let's wait for the US session. As we all know, US session may be crucial. Okay, and if anything comes up, if anything crazy happens, you will get an update in the WhatsApp group. Okay, if you want to become a part of WhatsApp group, you can open your trading account under our referral. Link is in the description. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. All the best. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and I'm extremely sorry I could not upload anything or update anything in the free Telegram community for the last 4 to 5 days, because Telegram was restricted in my country for the 4 to 5 days. It's back again. Okay, so bye bye.